Good morning! Mag-unboxing tayo ngayon sa multifunctional exercise board. Birthday gift ito ng asawa ko. So pasensya na, nakaano yung buhok ko. Kasi aalis kami mamaya kaya naka-natural curly lang ito. So ito yon multifunctional exercise board. I-unboxing natin. So I need to do installation. I got purple. So this is the pilot board. There you go. Knee board. So may dalawang resistant band training. Tapos yung handle. So, madali lang ito i-assemble. So meron na ditong timer. So this is the timer. You can use here. This is your resistant band. It comes with battery for the timer and a small screwdriver. This is the handle. It goes here. Turn to the right to lock. That's it. Pretty easy, guys. I'm so happy for this. All you need to do, so you don't use this to take this out. Take this out. And there is instruction for exercise. Example, this is your knee. Your elbow, and you do like this. Like this too.
Put it closer to your body. Put it closer to your knees. Put your knees closer to your head.
Huh?
Put them closer together. There you go.
This is how you do. You put your elbow here and you do like this. And you can also do this. And
Now you need to put your feet back, further back.
and you can also do like this. Take this hold, separate this, and do like here. Balance. Huh? What?
It's funny.
What funny? Ako?
Guys.
I enjoy. And then after you use, it's easily storage. You just do like this. See? And you can take this off.
Very easily.
There you go. You put underneath for storage. Good storage.